Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, pull down the notification panel and look for a toggle. So for me it's on the second page of the battery saver, and you can simply tap on it to enable the power saving mode. You can also hold it, and this will take us to settings of it where you can customize it a tiny bit further, and it'll also get information on what it does. So it restricts the activity of system apps, freeze apps in the background, clear cache whenever device is locked, and turn off background services, sync GPS to save battery. Now the last one is kind of vague, but if I'm correct, it also reduces the background data. So for instance, if you get a message that would require Wi-Fi, like through an Messenger or Instagram, stuff like that, they will be delivered in bulk every X amount of time instead of basically every time they will be sent to you. That will basically reduce the need for the device to be constantly connected to Wi-Fi, and it will connect periodically just to sync everything that it can gather at once. And then you also have a schedule, so you can turn it on, so it turns on automatically from certain time to certain time. That's about it. And once you're done with the power saving mode, if it's turned on manually, you can simply tap on it again to turn it off. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.